Hi there, this is Sanket here and welcome to the Digital Media Workstation. In today's video, I will convert this street photograph into a good looking one. If you want to follow along with me, I have added link of this image in description. You can go there and download it. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, share your image with Snapseed. Now, firstly I'll go to tune image and I'll do some standard color setting. Next, I'll increase details and will apply it to only buildings and roads. Now to remove this effect from sky, simply go to stack, then view edits, then details, then stack brush. Effect is enabled and set brush value to 0. And simply remove this effect from sky. If you increase details of sky, then it will add noise to our image. Next, I'll apply vintage effect and will remove that effect from certain areas. Now to remove effect, simply go to stack, view edits, vintage and stack brush. Now I'll make effect enabled. Now I'll set brush value to 0 and zoom out, and I'll remove effect from this side. So it will look like sunlight is falling on this side of building. Now, I'll use curves to add colors in sky. Firstly, using RGB curve, I'll increase some highlights. If you don't know how to use curve, see my video on that. Now I'll use red curve to add red color. You can see that I'm raising curves at right upper side only. Right upper side of curve means highlights. The sky has more highlights. Now I'll add some yellow color. To add yellow color, we can use blue curve. Because yellow is opposite of blue as per color circle. So the combination of red and yellow will make orange color. Next, I'll add some white balance. increase temperature by small amount and also some tint. That's it. Now, if you want to add matte finish to this image, you can use RGB curve. Go to Tools, then Curves, and select RGB curve. To add matte finish, simply raise left bottom point to upper side. And lower some shadows. That's it. Now I'll remove that matte effect from center area. For that, simply go to Stack, View Edits, Curves, and Stack Brush. Make effect enabled and set brush value to 0. That's it. Using matte finish is personal choice. If you don't love matte finish, simply do not use it. So I think this looks perfect. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get update of my each video.